touchdown, Chiang Mai.
Round two.
Round two. We got back about 12:30 to Aya. I don't know if they Aya or AYA services.
Much better.
And we started walking to the new hotel because it's like 25 minutes away. Is it down here? Oh. And then we got like 10 minutes around the corner and my watch went off saying like a lot of my air tags were left behind. I was like, oh my god, what? And then I was like, hang on. Is our stuff already there? Because it's not meant to be until, well, not meant to. I guess they're the latest is 7. And then we looked on, we looked on our location and our stuff's here. So we're like, oh, that's perfect then. We'll just take that to the new hotel in a grab. And then at least we can leave it there, or maybe they'll let us in the room. I don't know. What I would like to get done today, maybe today, is my nails and toes. I would update. Our bags are here. Well, 3 of them. George's big one's not here. We can see it. It is moving. I feel like it's going further away. That's us at the top, the little bag. And then this one here is his bag. And I feel like it's moving further away. And I really hope it's just for some reason got on another van. But they're together, so I don't really understand. It says his bag is here. Oh my god, George, your bag could... I think it's going to be here. I think it's happening. Oh my god, it's happening. It happened. It's here. We've got it. It arrived. We did it. We did it. All bags. Check. Off to the next hotel or hostel. Don't know what we booked. It's me struggling when he's carrying both the bags. Oh my god, I can't get over. Okay, this is the new hotel that we're in. This is costing us £42 for 2 nights. So £20 a night-ish. £21 a night. It's actually quite cute. Oh, I wonder if the bed's hard. I really hope it's not. Nice free water. I love when they give us free water. Fridge. Maybe put, I don't get why they don't put the water in the fridge. That makes no sense to me. Cute mirror. Got whatever that's called. No, station to put stuff. The bed does look really cute. The toilet looks like disgusting, but it's not hard, but it's not soft. There's like a water machine and like free coffee and stuff, and I don't know what she said. I'm scared. Oh my god, look, so what was really happy yesterday, I was talking to a guy, the owner of the hostel, about Summer Fruits, and his friend was there. And he was like, my wife can't go anywhere about Summer Fruits, and he gave it to me. It was sealed, don't worry. Oh my god, it was the best thing. I nearly cried. I mean, it don't taste the same. But, and I have to put 1,000,000 squirts in because even that don't feel like enough. Oh my god. I mean, don't taste like some fruit. Just a bit of juice. Nothing quenches my thirst like some juice, like some squash. Water just doesn't hit the same. We've been asleep. We've checked in at 2. It's now 7:15. We've been asleep since about 6:30.
And it took us an hour from waking up to actually leave.
Yeah, and we've just thrown on the same clothes because we're just at that stage now where we're a bit disgusting and dirty. We're off now to the Koh Soi dinner place. We're in this place, Koh Soi. I can't say it. Oh my god, this was the best meal we've both had since we've been here. It's so good. If you ever come here to Chiang Mai, come here because it was amazing. And I don't like real people food, and I ate the whole thing. It was very spicy, but I like spice. And then we gave her a little review, and she gave us a free ice cream. I've got a milk one, and George has a mixed milk and matcha one. This place is huge. This is actually huge. I guess it opens up and gets bigger, but there's a whole like... This is crazy. Look, this is it. For all of you that are coming here and want to go. Oh, there's a little coffee house. This is so cute. Well, we got a grab to this market and it's shut. Today is Wednesday, the 21st of January, and we are attending a cooking class.
And we have dry chili here, everyone. This one is a sun-dried chili. Use this one for your curry paste today. You cook at home.
Yeah.
She's cooked. How about you?
No, I cook for him.
Never.
I'm not a good cook. No, you're gonna
Can you
learn.
show me?
Let's just show them what we can cook today. Appetizers, stir fry soup, and curry. I shouldn't say anything about the curry paste though. What did you get? I just had
Spring roll.
Oh, okay. He's getting a pad thai. I just want the rice really. We're doing a hot and sour prawn. I don't think I should eat that. And then that's not a curry though. It just says noodle. I just don't like curry.
Chiang Mai curry.
Welcome to our school. Not mine. Not yet. Oops. I didn't say any word. Okay. 10:30. Please go to the kitchen. You will see me there. Yeah, it's easy. Just looking for someone crazy and pink head. Can I
Be
be
here for a while.
one? You can put everything in, everyone.
Yeah, now.
I'm cooking a spring roll, a crispy spring roll actually. These are my spring rolls. Taste test.
That's really good.
I think it's the crispiness that makes me like it.
Yeah.
In the afternoon, when we're back, we will start with the sticky rice first because it takes time to let it cool down. Your curry paste and curry will be your last step. We have 5 dishes today. Are you ready, everyone?
Yes.
The next one, your sexy level. You can use your leg, everyone. The one. And everyone, I have the rules in my kitchen. Look, yeah, so serious with this group. You have to give me some move. If you don't move, I will not give you your protein. You have to dance for your protein, everyone. No protein! I can't. No protein. Now everyone, no prawn yet. It's easy to cook. That's what. Get together and say cooking.
This is mine that I made. What did I make? You made a pad thai. That's George's pad thai. And a soup.
Everyone, with the sticky rice, you want to eat me after. meat, and Tony will have a big
Can
curry.
you make a curry?
Thai green curry.
Thai green curry.
If you, they will have another QR code.
I just got my nails and toes done at the Angel Nail Studio, and it cost just under £18 in English money, but so good for both my hands and my feet. Normally I'm like in England I'm paying like over £30 for just my hands, but that's so good. I love the colour, you can't even really see.
We might miss our bus. If we miss our bus, that will ruin the next over week of plans.
The bus is at 9 o'clock it leaves, and we've been trying to get a grab from just before 8 o'clock, and George has had the same woman, to be fair, and she literally just messaged him saying, I am going. I think she means coming.
I hope so.
My one, oh my god, it just keeps changing. It gives me a driver, and it's like finding him a new driver, and I'm like, we don't have time for this. So we're on a very tight schedule. Today is our last day in Chiang Mai, or so we thought.
I think we should stay loyal to my woman. Feel bad for her.
This is just a stressful situation. Basically, don't stay at this hotel if you want great travel service. Fingers crossed. It's because it's, I guess, rush hour, isn't it? Is it rush hour? Is it the same here? Like, 8 o'clock would be rush hour for England?
It was Elle's idea to leave at 8, and I even thought that's a bit much. That was 35 minutes ago, we were ready to go. We've actually been waiting 35 minutes. It's only 40 minutes until something gets.
Oh my god, she's here. And it is 8:38. I can't carry my bag. So now George always, oh my god, I can't even talk. George always has to end up carrying mine.
Jump in the back of the truck.
Oh my god, shut up. Oh, it's here though, isn't it? It's 8:50. Doesn't leave till 9. I think on some reviews, some people are like, oh my god, it didn't leave till 10 or 11. But we're here, at least we're here. We're waiting at the coffee place, 54. 6 minutes till it arrives, apparently till it arrives. Oh my god, I can't believe we got here though, that's crazy. George said there's a 7-Eleven 2 minutes down the road, so he's gone to get some food. I'm after my a sausage and cheese toasty. So I've eaten something. And I'm really scared for this journey, not gonna lie. I think the bus is a bit, and it's like 7 hours I think on the bus, so I'm gonna take a Quells and hopefully I'll pass out. And then after that is a dodgy hotel room, and then tomorrow morning is a dodgy boat. Oh, I really hope, I don't know, Saturday. I just want it to be Saturday so I can just, it's done with. You can do it. You'll look back at this and go, wow, you did it. It's 9:20 and we're still waiting for the bus. 9:40 and the bus finally decided to arrive. Yay! Let's start this trip.